Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Cardano ADA, not one of the most, let's say, clear chart out there lately. We were into this downtrend line, well, the whole bear market, or anyway this year, and we lately attempted once, twice, even three times, and then finally around end of September we managed to break out. But now the problem is that Cardano has trouble to really take off. So if I try to see a structure here, a bullish one, it's not a super bullish one. It would be, as you can see, into diagonals. I have an A, B, and a C, and I may call that a wave 1. This was a wave 2, or this could be just an A, and then after that we're having a B, and we can have something even more crazy, that maybe all this is just an A, we're doing the B, and we're doing the C. We are going to see, but no, for a moment we can see that that movement here was a three wave, no, not impulsive, but movement. So we have a wave 1, I can call this a wave 2 or a wave A. And now the problem, it's, can price push higher or not? Because if this is the A, this was the B in orange, and you can see that we almost reached, well, actually it was between the two levels of the 0.618 and the 0.786 of this A wave. And that's typically where a wave B would go. And then if that is the case, this is now we're going to make the C wave. Now, if I'm saying that is because there is a potential that, so fine, this was an A wave 1, this was the wave 2, and this is just the A, B, C for this third wave. And after that, we're going to have a three wave down for ideally for the wave 4, and so on for the fifth wave. So now this is the thing that I'm looking, something more bullish for the moment. Let me, what did I do? Just should have take out those little guys first. Okay, so now if this indeed is the third wave, the C wave, then this is the wave 1 and this is the wave 2. So if I do some micro counting now, go on the 1 hour, I need to be, I think we are kind of reach pretty much the level where it's going to tell us if it's going to take that path or not. So once again, you can notice that we have a three wave movement for this allegedly wave 1. This would be wave 2. We are bent on the 0.7x6. I am going to change, it's not there. Change that. There you go. So for the moment we're here, we have an A, B, C. I call this a wave 1. This would be a wave 2. Now we need to see a third wave. So how do I see it? That it could play out. This is one scenario, that this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and then after that we're going to see a 3, a 4, and a 5. And once again, this third wave, because the first wave it's a three wave movement, this third wave is going to do something similar. And after that, that would be the third wave. After that, three wave for the fourth and three wave for the fifth. All right, so this is one scenario. The other one, it's a little bit less bullish, and that would imply that we are doing, let me see here. Okay, you can see that if I draw some trend lines here, and from here, unfortunately, we're kind of doing an ascending triangle, which is not bullish. And that would imply that we are going to make a new local lower low, and it would imply also that, you know, this could have not been the wave 2, but we're going to do something or go a little bit lower. But honestly, I would be a little bit surprised if you would do that. It wouldn't make sense for me. But, you know, it's like, unless, you know, Bitcoin really wake up today and then it's going to drag everybody up. And then if we can even push higher and of this MA 200, then, you know, that would be great. But that's the thing with crypto. It's like, especially altcoins, now so many are into a critical level, and that if Bitcoin just go, I don't know, 3-4% down, it's going to start to invalidate a lot of counts on the altcoin. So you want to be aware of that. So for sure, if we are going lower than 33 cents too, then pretty much sure it's a deal done, that we're going to make a, you know, for sure a new local low. Also, we're breaking this uptrend line, so it's a sign of weakness, right? So if we break that, and on top of that, if we even manage to break this 32.6, then I would say the next reference would be 31.4, and then maybe perhaps there we can, I don't know, maybe we're doing not needed, let's say like that, and not needed, yeah, check back on this trend line, use it as a support, and then maybe we can go. Honestly, really, did I focus off not needed? Because we kind of did that here, and usually this is what we want to see. It's a retest, and then after we go. So by going and retesting now, it's not very bullish. Actually, it's very bearish. It means the bears are in control of the trend. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. So watch out for this uptrend line. Also, the level we are now, it's pretty much critical. We don't want to go lower 33.6, and definitely below 33.2. It start to pretty much invalidating that possibility of that we're making a 5-way up for that C wave. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.